Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's clip, I wanted to let you know about some huge discounts available on Amazon right now during Prime Days on both the Mavic Mini Fly More combination and the Mavic 2 Pro. Now, if you don't know what Prime Days are, it's sort of when Amazon loses their mind, because once a year, they'll pick a couple of days and they'll start putting everything on sale. So nerds like me that have been saving their nickels all year, wait for those 2 days and get a chance to buy all the stuff that I've been salivating over all year. Now, right now, DJI's decided that the Mavic Mini Fly More combination and the Mavic 2 Pro are the drones they're going to offer this year at steep discounts, and I'll give you an idea how much those discounts matter. So the Mavic Mini is normally sold as the regular package for $399, and that includes the drone, the controller, a battery, and a few other accessories to get you up in the air, and that's a fantastic price for the amount of technology you're getting in this drone. They also sell it as a Fly More combination, which includes this really nice carrying case, a charging hub that allows you to charge 3 batteries at the same time. They also include 2 extra batteries, a fly cage, more propellers, and a bunch of other stuff that really provides a tremendous value for $100 more. When you add up all the stuff that they're giving you in the Fly More combination, that's way more money than the actual $100 they're charging. So it's $399 normally, $499 for the Fly More combination. Right now, they're knocking $100 off the Fly More combination, which means you get everything here for $100 less, which is fantastic. With the Mavic 2 Pro, one of my favorite professional drones. It's got 4K recording footage. It's got gigantic sensors. It's an amazing drone. If you're going to do any kind of professional photography, this is the one you want to go with. They've knocked $130 off that. So I often say on the channel, if you're thinking about getting in the hobby, get off the fence, because these discounts are the best I've seen this year. I don't know how long they're going to last. The Prime sale is only on for 2 days, the 13th and the 14th. If you're a Prime member, click the links below. You can go to Amazon. You can get those discounts. If you're not a Prime member, you might want to become a Prime member, because the discounts you're getting on these 2 quads pretty much pay for your Amazon Prime for the year. So it's up to you entirely. But again, as a fan of the hobby and somebody that loves to see people get into the hobby and start flying, I want to make sure you understand all these discounts whenever I hear about them. And we're going to have a lot more, because I'm sure other things are going to come up before Christmas. So stay tuned to the channel for those discounts. But right now, if you're thinking about either of these and you've been sitting back going, I don't know, I'll wait till they go on sale. Well, they're on sale, so get out there and pick up your drone and start flying. We got a couple of weeks left before it starts getting really cold for the winter here in the East. Plenty of time to start flying. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the links below. If you have any questions about this, shoot them to me, but there's only 2 days, so get on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy flying.